Okay, Jim Robinson again with ProfitTrading.com. This is December cotton weekly chart, and cotton looks like it's made like a cup, and this could be a handle here, and a breakout above these highs would be extremely bullish. The bars above the 10-10 weekly bands say the trend is up. There has been no bars below the bands, which means that the lower band has been support. And in the premium newsletter, we're holding a December 70 call, and I think that's going to work out to be a good trade still. We'll just have to see. The 14-week directional movement, purple above green, so that means the trend's up. Now, these are trend following indicators. We're going to take a look at the grains, but the grains are, I think, bottoming, so we're going to put when they're bottoming, you really can't look at trend indicators to see what's going on because so we'll put some different indicators on there. Let's try an MACD. Matter of fact, let's try two MACDs. What the heck? It'll give us a little different look at it. One of these is a histogram, and one of these is just the regular MACD. Okay, let's see if we can get that to work. And it should give us a little different look at the same thing going on in corn here. Oh, brother, I knew that was going to happen. Exponential. This should be right. Let's see what we can do. There's about 4 MACDs on here, so I guess I just hit the wrong one. Okay, now this is the December corn weekly, and this is just the normal MACD, how you usually see it with a line graph type thing. And then here's the histogram. You can see that against this low, corn made a lower low, and the MACD made a higher momentum reading. That's bullish divergence, and that's what happens at market lows. Now, the MACD's gone on a weekly buy signal, and again, you can just see that this looks like a base on corn, and it looks like it's moving higher. So we're going to be trying to get long corn. I've been wanting to get long corn in the premium newsletter, but I've been kind of making sure that it was going to go up. So I have been kind of being very careful on that, but I mean, it just looks like it's a buy right now. Again, the low and then the new low came in on a higher MACD reading, momentum reading, and now the MACD has gone above the zero line. This above this black line means that the momentum has gone positive, which basically shows this buy signal here. So basically, corn looks to be at a bottom. Soybeans, we'll take a look at real quick, and that's been a very bullish chart too. And the reason I say that is because beans have never really gone to a new low like corn did. So that shows that there's a lot of buying strength in beans. Beans made a double bottom here on the weekly time frame, and then this double bottom here has been at a higher level. So basically, you could look at this as a cup and kind of a handle here, or you could look at it as kind of a head and shoulders, however you want to look at it. The beans are forming a base here, and you can see that the momentum is going up, and on the histogram you can see it pretty good too. Now beans really haven't turned up to a buy signal yet, so again, caution in beans here, but I think we're going to be taking a buy signal soon. And we'll look at one more quick one, and I think wheat is right at the bottom right now. Yesterday was, I think, a doji on the daily time frame, and that will often be a turning point bar on the chart. It doesn't always happen, but I think, with what the weekly chart looks like, and actually the weekly, made kind of a doji just because, that's only like one day this week. But anyway, December wheat weekly, we made a low, we made a lower low, we made a higher momentum reading on the MACD. You can see it on this MACD, and you can see it a little clearer on the histogram here. The momentum was clear down here, and then on the new price lows, the momentum was up here, which means the downside momentum was dissipating, which means the buying pressure is less, which means that we're probably coming into a bottom. And again, we'll probably get a buy signal here on wheat on the MACD any week here. So we're going to be looking to buy wheat in the premium newsletter. And let's wrap this one up, because if these videos are too long, they're hard to upload on YouTube. They take too long. So done with this one. Thanks for listening, as always.